Hey guys, me Misha. It's been a long time. Long time no see. Um, Everything I say is not financial advice, my personal opinion. Let's see what's going on the market. I'm like in a bunch of trades. We haven't seen each other like for what? For 2 months? This looks a lot like an exhaustion. Okay. Russian market was like ballooning through this past 2 months. Still waiting to break even on this one. I'm in this trade. I'm in this trade like a lot. Have like multiple positions, and I'll buy more if it corrects the 0.5 or anything near it. I'd be happy to buy more because it's strong impulse, weak correction to 0.5. I don't know why, but volume changes, corrects on monthly from time to time. Good enough for an exhaustion volume. See, exhaustion. Yeah, it looks good. So I'll surely buy more if it corrects. So I have to be like a little lower than usual for the homies. I'm in Alrosa, plug. I'm in Pfizer like a lot, and I'll add more. It's not only this. I just removed them from my monitor. It's also this trade and some positions. It's in my ideas. I put all in my ideas, so some of the position I'm willing to hold till 0.5. I'd add more. So I'll be looking at today too. I'll add more to both of these guys. I'm in this guy as well. Not gonna add anything more. It's like comme ci, comme ça. Yeah, I think this shall go, but I'm not gonna not gonna add anything. Do you think you can tell? Because oops, because of this volume. Yeah, one bar in inferior time frame will never stop the superior, and volume distribution is still good, but regardless, I'm in magnet. Sorry, my internet is kind of slow nowadays. I'm in Pazzi. Oof. Interesting. Okay. This guy. Too sharp of a drop, and we really needed to correct here. I think. UPS I couldn't find a spot. So I'm missing the whole UPS party. I'm missing the whole UPS party. There's a beautiful entry point right here, and I've missed it. Yeah, beautiful, by the book. Boom, boom, test. And that could have been held to closing of the gap. I also missed Google. That was a beautiful entry. Chpong. No regrets. Nike. I think it will break, but I decided to wait for a conservative entry because of these volumes. So exhaustion volume is not the biggest. I think it will go, but also another factor was see how high it is. Continuation of the trend, all good, but still. Wait, what? Oh yeah. Yeah, that was good. This was good, but there's no context on monthly. Well, there's kinda is. No, there's not. It's just a transition extreme. So this was an automatic rally. And I normally don't pick up on automatic rallies. I waited to correct. Miss this volume. Yeah. There was a trade here, just right here, 2 hours. Boink. I broke even on O and made some money here. Like right here, in hindsight. Could have held it. There is no context for investment trade though, but could have held it at least till here, maybe. Pepsi, if it comes here, I'll take it. This game AMD. Comcast. Vodafone. Oh my god, I noticed it too late. I noticed it too late. What a spot. Kind of far below 0.5 and still above, still before the sign of strength. But what a beautiful spot. With this kind of volume. You see what I see? Wouldn't wait for a test, just like 2 hours. Easy money. Noticed it like too late. I've noticed it here. But you guys have learned to monitor the market in a new way that I didn't do before. This looked a lot like an exhaustion, but needed a test since counter trend. Colgate would buy it from here. So there's like 2 versions of what's going on. First version is, but look how far it is. Yeah, that was an entry too. I didn't miss it. I only noticed this type of charging impulse correction. I was too much into change of direction kind of short trend scenario, but that was a legit scenario. Volume on T1 comes, springs with huge volume, kind of like breaks the level on test, but that was neglectable for sure. Weak test, Boom. 2R. Missed it. Best Buy. Look a lot like an exhaustion. We'll see how it goes. This guy with this volume. Change of initiative. Initiative takeover. 0.5. This level is broken. Do you think you can tell heaven from hell? Yeah. And this even more right now. Even bigger volume. So definitely. Oh, I'm sorry. We'll see how it closed the reaction bar today. This guy also now an exhaustion volume. Strength 3 bars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 bars. Far below 0.5. And still, this is so high. We'll see. FedEx, I need FedEx to come to monthly level, and it's gonna be good. Well, 4.5, but see how deep this was. How deep this was. A little bit high on monthly and yearly, but this guy, I don't know what it does. Still, I'm just watching it, but it's like super scary after I did this. However, there's bigger volume here, so I'm not so sure. I'm so afraid of. Yeah, actually volume distribution is long. It's here, it's here. Yeah, no, I shouldn't be afraid then. This is concerning, and this looks a lot like initiative takeover. Boom, boom. So no, I'm gonna do it. I still have a little bit of money open in the Russian market. That should correct now. I'm considering this trade, but look at this volume. There is volume here, but it needed a test because there was bigger volume in the middle. And then this volume comes on test, so no bueno. No bueno. Look at HSBC. I'm not gonna take anything long here after this volume. Last volume of the month. Right there. Like super exhaustion volume. And then spring. So that was an entry point. Spring. Test. This is freaky volume, but it's short. But market doesn't drop short. I don't know. And it's counter trend too, regardless the volume. Yeah, see what's going on here. weird volume. Someone just dumped a whole bunch of the stock and it didn't go down because someone bought it out. Yeah, super weird. Let's see the monthlies. I missed Verizon, you guys. This was so beautiful. This manipulation bar with this volume closes above the level, and then it was like impulse, and then it was accumulating here. I freaked out of this volume, but here that was an entry. It's a little bit like a little deviation from the pure RST strategy. Roman strategy trading is what I'm preaching, but it was obvious here. And also, let me see, it was not deviation from Roman strategy testing. Trading, I'm sorry. Here it was. Just, well, a little bit. So this should have been seen as the bearish bar with all spread, with the spread starting from the close of the previous bar. So, yeah, this guy. That technically broke it, but because, yeah, considering the context of monthly, that was an entry right there. Or if you wanted to test, whatever is your bliss here, but yeah. And I missed it. And possibly that could have been held to, no, just here, but yeah. Anyhow, it's gone, it's past. It's not the first and not the last trade I'm missing. Now this volume is at the table. It's counter trend, so it doesn't matter, but yeah, expect bigger correction. Interesting. It's General Motors. Oh, look at this guy. Huh. Do you see what I see? Do you guys see what I see? Because I see an opportunity. Well, this was a test balance one way or another. Whichever way you look at it. It's a test. And now it's 2-bar spring. And it's a test of 2-bar spring. And then monthly. It's right there. I think I'm buying General Motors. I'm in Ford already. Fix or repair daily. I'm sorry, all of you Ford lovers out there. But that's how it translates to me. But yeah, it's right there. start getting these blinking cursors from recently at TradingView. At first, I don't know if you see it on the broadcast, but it's right there. I thought I'm going crazy at first, or I got a virus. There was a virus back in the day that would pop up on your screen, this blinking cursor. But yeah. Wait. There was some exhaustion here. Not the biggest volume, but definitely. And the... Wait, I think it's a good entry. Volume distribution though. I think it's good. I think it's good. I need a clean entry point, of course, which I might not be given by its majesty market, but I keep on trying. I keep on trying. Yeah. That's what I have. Oh, and it's right at the level. Look at it. It's right at this level. Yeah. I think it's good. There's no potential for it to hold it any like higher, but yeah. Do you think you can tell? It'll go from here. It can go. Oops. And that might be it. I might wanna buy my last chunk of Pfizer just here. Oh no. Yeah, no, this is a bigger volume still. And this is not an exhaustion volume. for sure. Or wait for test. This is unvolumed. That's the problem with it. This is unvolumed. Okay, so GM is like right on the table right now. Yeah, checking out of the Toronto Dominion, it was right in 0.5 with a good volume here, but I was afraid of this volume. I think, yeah, when it broke here went, so that was an entry point. It was a good, classy entry point here. I chickened out. Yeah, it was perfect. Well, it didn't technically touch the low 305, low. No, it did touch. It did touch. That was a beautiful entry point. Yeah, it didn't show, but after this volume, yeah, could have just bought after this volume. And dividends. A little scary, but considering context on superior time frame, it's 0.5 level. Just buy it from here, and then it was right there. Yeah, and then hold it. These are potential shorts. Oh, look at this beauty. Didn't give us an entry, but oof, went beautifully. Went down beautifully. Not so sure about Baba, but this volume. Bank St. Petersburg is right there, ready to short. Is right there, ready to short. Why do I see short though? Strength. After this volume? No, it actually looks long. Why on earth did I decide to short? This volumes. No, I don't think it's good for short. Oh, this volume maybe. Nah. This looks short though, for sure. I'm fooling around, I wouldn't short it, but and in order to short anything, I have to be double, triple sure, because it's only with the real stop market I can short, and it can gap against me. Yeah, no, this looks short for sure. 0.5. The rest kind of checks out. I'm just not sure why. Now it looks like it was breaking this level, and it's good to go farther. Maybe locally it's not bad for short. Change the direction. Went up. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know what I was thinking. What were you thinking about? You guys remember this German guard commercial? What are you thinking about? That was good. That was good. A little bit offensive to the people of accent, but I am a person of accent, so yeah, no, I think it's maybe better for long than for short. I don't know what I was thinking about. We don't do it on transition extremums, but let's see how it holds. It's in there right now. No, it's good for short, but not on monthly. Impulse correction, impulse correction, impulse correction, impulse. No, I don't know what I was thinking about. Anyhow, those are my stocks for today. This guy needs to correct to 0.5. This one totally worked. Do you want to buy my last portion of the stock right here? Not yet. Not yet. I only have like one share left, one portion of my position unopened. This is definitely something to watch for today. Okay, I'm gonna let you go with that. I'm gonna go do my jog and morning exercise and all of that. And I'll see you. I see you later today. It's nice to be back. Take care.